Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by sourcing footage you can legally reuse, don't guess. Search for public domain or CC0 assets and download license metadata immediately. Once done, organize clips into folders named by source and date so you can prove provenance later. Make quick local backups and log file names in a spreadsheet. You'll want timestamps, creator names, and exact license text saved. This front-loading avoids takedowns and speeds later editing, so act now and be meticulous with records. You now transform the clips so they constitute a new work. This is how you avoid copyright claims. Use cropping, reframing, speed changes, and new narration to add original expression. Make sure to replace or license any music and layer in your own graphics and subtitles. Once edited, export with clear file names linking back to your source log. Keep project files and an edit log showing timestamps and the nature of each change. This demonstrates your creative contribution if challenged. You're ready to publish. Add concise credits and the exact license line in your description so viewers and platforms see your clearance. Monitor content ID or takedown notices closely. If a claim appears, use your saved license screenshots and edit logs to dispute via the platform's process. Submit proof and a calm explanation. If dispute fails, remove or replace the specific clip and re-upload. Key troubleshooting tip: when blocked, swap the contested segment and keep all original documentation handy for appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.